Lexi boo, yeah. Lexi boo, yeah, yeah, yeah. Lexi boo, yeah. CEO of Bougie Body, yeah, yeah. CEO of Bougie Body, yeah, yeah. Lexi boo, yeah. Lexi boo, yeah. CEO of Bougie Body, yeah. CEO of Bougie Body, yeah, yeah.
What's up, Bougie Gang? It's your girl Lexi Boo back with another video. So basically, this is the same hair in my last video. 32 inches. It's 32, 30, 28 with a 16-inch frontal. So let's get into this video. We're gonna make it into a wig, okay? If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel right now. Let me give you a second to do that. Okay, and we're back. So basically what I'm going to do first is I'm going to sew down the frontal, as you can see in the back. So, and let me just tell you guys this, I do not have a stand as of right now. At the end of the video you're going to see a stand, but it's just my tripod for my phone camera made into a stand, you know what I'm saying? So kind of ghetto, but it's okay. So as you can see here, I don't even have the regular block head, but I do have a regular size mannequin head. It works for all my wigs. It works for all my clients. I make my wigs the exact same way every time, and it works every time. So I'm just sewing the back of the frontal, as you can see right here, and I'm going to sew it from basically ear to ear. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, this is the finished look, how it should look after you sew the frontal down. And then honestly, I couldn't really show y'all how I sewed in each bundle, but I'm gonna show you every time I sew in the bundle. So as you can see, the bundles are really thick. And then this part, I kind of can show you how I sew another bundle in, but this is the last bundle. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how I sew that one in to the best of my abilities, because the camera position and the way that it is on my lap, it's just not what it is. But I made it do what it do, you know, for my gang people. Alright, so yeah. Okay, so finally the wig is all done. So this is before I flat iron it, before I bleach knots, and before I bleach 2 blind plots on each side, because I didn't know what I was gonna do at first. So I didn't record that part, by the way. I don't know, lazy vlogger, I guess. But yeah, and you see how that hair flows. This will be the new Bougie Barbies collection. Get into it, you guys. Okay, so here I have already, of course, putting some heat protectant on my hair. You always want to put heat protectant on. I have blow dried it dry. I have did all of that good stuff. So now let's get down to the silk straightening, you know what I'm saying? So this takes a lot of time. Small sections are the best. And then you just go by section, and just flat iron very slowly, and use the track and trail method. Is what my favorite teacher director used to say. So basically that's when you follow the flat iron with the comb follow the comb basically with the flat iron. Yeah, there you go. And so that's what I'm going to be doing, and yeah. Okay, so each side needs to be as flat as possible. First of all, it's the middle part. Second of all, it's a frontal. You want that bitch, I'm sorry, not that big, but you want it to be as flat as possible. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through with the flat iron. And I have also, the best investment of my life has been a hot comb, which I have had a hot comb from school that went on the stove, but now I have one that plugs up, which is basically the same thing. I love it. So I'm going to flat iron first and then go through with the hot comb, and you'll see that in a minute. Okay, so now as you can see the finishing touch, you see the blonde that I have put into the wig. Girl, that's because I had to know if this hair was gonna die. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know every specific thing about your weave, what makes your weave better from the next company weave. So that's what I have did for these couple of days. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all no shedding in the comb part, all that good stuff. So be on the lookout for the launching. I'm not sure when it's going to be, but it's going to be very soon, you guys, I promise. Okay guys, so that's pretty much the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe again. Bougie Barbies is my brand. You can look me up on any type of social media. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye. Look at my uniform.
I know that move right. I know that move right. Oh, dance in the moonlight. Dance in the moonlight.